If you have been sourcing for products from China with 1688 Chinese shopping app, or you are a China importer using 1688 to bring goods at a very cheaper rate from China with 1688 Chinese shopping app, consider to watch this video from beginning to the end and see simple trick on how you can follow any factory on 1688 Chinese shopping app for latest product updates, discount updates, etc. as far as 1688 Chinese factory or supplier is concerned. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taobao, pinduoduo, or Hydrofish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you on how you too can be a procurement agent, or you want me to fund your Harley account, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use 1688 Chinese shopping app to import products from China without any stress. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back to this video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to simply follow any factory or store on 1688 for latest product and factory update, promotion, etc. on 1688. So let's see. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your 1688 shopping app. So I'm going to simply click on my 1688 shopping app. Then have you open up your 1688 shopping app. Then if you see a particular factory or store that you want to follow for more update, pricing and promotion of that particular factory, what you need to do is to simply click on the store. Let's say, for instance, I want to follow this particular store right here for more discount, update, and pricing on new products. So when you click on the product link, it takes you right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on their product link name right here. It's going to take you right here. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down. It's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on this icon right here. It's going to it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to make sure you click on this plus sign right here. Just like so. Now you have successfully followed this particular store. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on here to close this pump up. As simple as that. So each time this particular store here posts a new product, or they want to offer a discounted or promotion or any news about the store, you will have access to their latest posting and their latest products and the pricing, as the case may be. So it's as simple as that. For more tutorial tips and tricks about how to import from China with 1688, consider subscribing to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.